Nasa kumang ba ima ka ano Toyama nightlife o shoukai shite imasu. Ima watashi wa Toyama Central area ni Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to daily life in Japan. So here is Mr. Jeff. I'm behind the camera guys. So now is 12 a.m. in the morning. So I'm at the central Toyama. So I'm here. Just wanted to show you how the Toyama at night look like. So I'm gonna walk around and just wanted to show you how it look like, guys. So it's a parking lot, car parking around here. So I just wanna walk into the Toyama red lights. So this area is a Toyama red light. So this is a Toyama red light at the evening, guys. They are so friendly. When they see my camera, she look friendly. So here is how the Toyama look like at the evening. Wow.
Okay.
So here's the red light in Toyama. Okay. It's a little bit quiet in compared to Osaka. The Osaka is more popular. Osaka is more crowd. But here is like a little bit less people. I used to live in the main city in Japan. But when I moved to this city, it's like a big countryside. Hi.
Bye bye.
Okay guys, here is how it look like. Wow, this is amazing. So guys, I'm behind the camera right now. Okay. So this is the main part of Toyama at the evening.
Oshimai.
So many taxi around here. They're waiting for customer. So taxi they work until the morning.
Daisuki.
Wow, this building is so beautiful. I love the design. It was so beautiful. It's very nice design, guys. Look at the building. Japanese magazine. Oh, this is Japan anime. Normally in Japan, guys. So here's you can buy something on the internet, printing machine, and ATM. And this is string. I don't know what I want. Maybe not coffee, not beer. I might have a tea, guy. Because at the evening it's better to drink tea or lemon. So I have spray lemon. Minute mat. Okay, let me go. Make sure if you come to Japan, do not steal something at the minibar. Guys, don't steal, otherwise you will get arrested. The security in Japan is very strong.